Good morning, students. Let's say today's social third lesson, the movement of the earth, the movement and seasons, the movements and seasons. This is third lesson. Changing in seasons. Human beings live along with a large community of plants and animals. Human beings live along with a large community of plants and animals. We can observe constant change in the course of the year. The flowers and the fruits of the trees and plants change in the animal activity in our surroundings. We can observe constant change in the course of the year. The flowering and the fruiting of trees and plants change in the animal activities in our surroundings. As months passed by, you would have noticed that trees shed leaves stand bare. Now shoots come fruits, they flower and fruit. You may have noticed that in different kind and time of the year we get different types of vegetables and fruits. Before going to the lesson, we learn some words. Seasons. What is the season? What season? Seasons are subdivision of the year. Seasons are subdivision of the year. Changes in weather, ecology and hours of the day light. Seasons results from the yearly revolution of the earth around the sun and the tide of the earth acts relative to the place. Curvature of the earth. Curvature of the earth. The curvature of the earth causes different distribution of heat over the surface. It shows that the region around the equator becomes warmer than those near the pole. Earth's tide. A change in altitude of any portion of Earth's surface, whether temporary or undulatory or permanent, especially one in which the inclination of the surface is increased. Seasons are caused as earth tide acts. Let's observe this video.
The Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it has a unique characteristic that no other planet we know has. It's the only one that has life on it. Life of all types, plants, animals. Its average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because our planet also has water and an atmosphere, it is the perfect place for life. Like other planets of the solar system, the Earth moves in two different ways. One is called rotation, and the other is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn, so the Earth turns around a slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Think about it for a second. One day and night together, lasts 24 hours too. So the movement of rotation causes day and night. Interesting, right? Now let's see the movement of revolution. As you can see in the pictures, the Earth goes around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. That might sound a little strange, but if you look, you'll see it's simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to make a complete revolution around the Sun? Well, it takes 365 days. Exactly 1 year. This revolution movement is what makes the spring, with its colourful flowers. The hot summer, full of fun. The autumn, when leaves fall from the trees to the ground. And the cold and frosty winter. So let's remember the two kinds of movement that the Earth makes. There is rotation, which is the Earth turning around itself, causing day and night, which lasts exactly 24 hours, the same as a whole day. And there is revolution, which is the Earth traveling around the Sun, which takes 365 days and causes the seasons. So now you know the...
Thank you.